right now in Gurgaon, Gurugram, and en route Delhi, towards Delhi. And what I am riding right now is a Bonneville T100, and this is an old T100. Very beautiful machines. The amount of smoothness this bike, this engine carries is very rare. This is a very smooth Bonneville. It is another level of fun to ride this bike. The raw Triumph parallel twin, no ABS, no traction control. The bike just runs and runs. I was thinking to not record right now, but the weather being so pleasant, the weather being so intimidating, made me consider my decision again. So it might rain, which I don't want to, but it might, because हमारे चाहने ना चाहने से क्या ही होता है. There is this mother nature who is doing all this. I was thinking to put my camera in my waist pouch, but I thankfully did not, because I might encounter something interesting on the road. Maybe not, but let's see. If yes, then I'll be just a click away from recording stuff. If not, then also it's totally fine. I mean, you don't get to record interesting stuff every day or every time you are on the road. But yes, I am planning a bike. बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ बड़ा नहीं, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मतलब एक्सपल्स ही सोच रहा हूँ अभी के लिए. Either Xpulse or an Adventure 390. Most probably I'll go by the Xpulse only, because I don't want to spend that much on a bike. I might go for a car very soon. So these are the only reasons why I am just holding my decision till now. And let's see where we go. Let's see what route we take. Xpulse as such, why am I considering Xpulse and only Xpulse, is because the bike is very much off-road capable. The bike can do remote areas with ease. Bad roads, you don't need to think about roads at all. And the bike is comfortable. I can play around with the bike, I can throw the bike around, and it has the least amount of electronics that can hassle me around remote areas maybe. So these are the reasons. Also it is light, also it is comfortable, also it is cheaper to maintain. Even if something goes wrong, I'll make up for my mistakes for cheap. And parts are easily available. Let's see if we go with the Xpulse only or something else maybe. But this is it, Xpulse for now. And I am also planning an interesting tour, maybe Leh, maybe not, by this year. So let's see what we do with the Xpulse. Maybe we might switch after some time, and let's see. Some of the things are better left to time, so let time decide what is better for us and what is not. Oh bro, do not brake bro. This bike is so much fun to ride. Look at that plane. Look at the plane landing. Oh wow. It is so good to see. You guys can only imagine how much I am enjoying riding this bike. Also, I'm thinking at the same time about what it would have been to ride if it was designed in a sitting posture that I enjoy the more maybe. But still, the bike is very enjoyable. The bike does not want to be thrown around like the lighter bikes do, but it is so stick to the road. I do not know if the engine sound would be audible in the video or not, but if it does, then you guys can have an idea of the smoothness maybe. Look at that plane. Oh wow. So this is 12:40 in the noon, but because the weather is so pleasant, it doesn't feel like if it is 1 o'clock in the noon around approx. Oh my god, the bike is so smooth. Earlier I used to question why people are not letting go of this Bonneville. I mean, those who own this bike, they do not want to let go of this bike. They might plan some other bike alongside, but they won't let go of this Bonneville. Now after riding and I mean, I can only have an idea after riding it like this and in this weather. I don't know if I am enjoying the weather more or the bike more, but yes, the bike is playing a very important role. Oops. This is why you want adventure bikes, because Indian roads are not meant for these are better handled with adventure bikes. You don't have to think about uneven roads or uneven patches or things like that. See, this is why I am going for an adventure bike by now. I am trying to get back my RC 390. If I do, I might go for the RC 390, but till now the plan is to go with the X-Pulse. See the uneven patches, the uneven joints of the flyover. See, look, oh man. When you are riding an adventure bike, the bike will absorb some of these bumps and all, and even if it doesn't, then you just stand on the foot pegs and just let the bike do its job. I can feel a couple of raindrops on my hand, but most probably I should be reaching before it rains. This is what I think. So let's just end this video right here right now, and maybe meet you guys in some other one. Also, I am trying to be consistent as I can be. Let's see what all I can do